Why timing matters. One of the biggest benefits of adding light therapy to your practice isn't just what it does, it's when you can begin using it. Think about a client who has just sprained an ankle, fractured a rib, had surgery, or suffered another acute injury. The area is often swollen, painful, and extremely sensitive. In many cases, hands on treatment has to be modified or delayed because the tissues simply aren't ready for direct pressure. Light therapy gives us another option. Using the Zelmer method, we can often begin supporting the body's natural recovery process much earlier instead of waiting days or weeks before beginning care. We may be able to provide supportive treatment during the acute stage and recovery. And that makes such a positive difference for your client's recovery process. One of the reasons this is possible is because light therapy is a hands free treatment. When using a non thermal light therapy device, such as the devices I recommend in the certification, when they're used according to the Zelmer method protocols, we're not adding heat and we're not applying mechanical pressure to already tender tissues. For many clients, that's a significant advantage. Rather than pressing into an area that's painful or swollen, the light is delivered without that additional discomfort. Many clients find this to be a very comfortable way to begin supportive care during the early stages of recovery. So, what is happening during treatment? Light therapy supports the body's natural recovery process by supporting healthy local circulation. Healthy circulation helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to the tissue while supporting the normal movement of fluids through the treatment area. Together, these processes help create an environment that supports normal tissue recovery. The most important message I want you to remember is this: light therapy doesn't replace the skills you already have, it complements them. Whether you're a massage therapist, chiropractor, physiotherapist, nurse, esthetician, or another healthcare provider, light therapy expands your options by allowing you to begin supporting some clients earlier in their recovery than you might with hands on therapy alone. For me, that's one of the greatest strengths of adding light therapy into my practice. I've been able to help so many more clients now that I offer light therapy. I'd like to leave you with this thought. One of the greatest benefits of light therapy isn't just what it does, it's when you can begin using it on your client.